What is passive income? 5 ways to make money while you sleep. Ever wished you could make money even when you're asleep? It sounds like a dream, but it's actually possible. As Warren Buffett famously said, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Let's break down what passive income means and cover 5 easy ways you can start making money while you sleep. What is passive income? Simply put, passive income is money you earn with little daily effort once you've set things up. Think of it as cash rolling in while you're doing other things, like watching Netflix or sleeping, because you created something that keeps paying you. For example, you might earn interest from an investment, get rental income from property, or receive royalties from a project you created. It's not free money. You usually put in work or invest something up front. But after that initial effort, the income can keep flowing with much less work from you. 1. Rent out your stuff. You don't need to own a house to earn rental income. Have a car, a nice camera, or a fancy outfit you rarely use? List them on rental platforms. For example, rent your car on Turo and get paid whenever someone borrows them. It's like being the Airbnb of your stuff, letting your things work for you while you relax or sleep. 2. Create a digital product to sell. This idea is about making something once and selling it over and over. For example, you could write an ebook or create an online course about something you know. Upload it to a marketplace like Gumroad or Etsy, and people can buy it anytime. You might even wake up to find you made a sale overnight. Do the work up front, and your digital product can keep earning money in the background. 3. Invest in dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks means buying shares of companies that pay you part of their profits regularly. Dividends. You'll need some money to buy the stocks, but then you can earn cash in your sleep whenever those dividends are paid out. It's basically a little thank you payment from the company for investing. Start a YouTube channel. Even your cat's goofy antics could earn you money on YouTube. Once you build an audience and join YouTube's partner program, you make money from the ads that run on your videos. One video can keep getting views and ad revenue long after you posted it, especially if it's on a topic people search for a lot. 5. Start a blog. Yes, blogs still make money. Believe it or not, blogs can still make money. Start a blog on a topic you love, maybe food or travel, and share helpful or entertaining posts. As people visit your site, you earn from ads or from affiliate links when someone buys a product you recommended. A single post you publish can keep attracting readers and revenue long after you write it, so your blog might be earning money 24/7 even when you're not working. Conclusion: you don't have to try all these ideas at once. Just pick one that excites you and give it a go. Remember, passive income often starts small and takes time to grow. But with patience, that little trickle can turn into a steady stream. The key is to start now and stick with it. Who knows, soon you might wake up to extra cash, sweet dreams, and happy earning. I would be very happy if you subscribed to my channel and liked the video. Take care, guys.